Let me guess, you recently bought a brand new Civic Si and have nowhere in the car to put your extra pair of sunglasses. In this episode, I'm going to show you a quick, cheap, and easy way to remedy that problem. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, I am Joby. This is the Natural Gearhead Garage channel. That is my 2026 Honda Civic Si. Now, here's the deal. I live in Central Florida. You need sunglasses on your face at all times. These are my primary pair. This is my backup pair. You want a backup pair in every single car, because if these get lost, stolen, broken, whatever, you forget them, you need a pair on your face because the sun down here is brutal and is constantly trying to burn the retinas out of your face. So you definitely want good protection on your eyeballs. Now, my wife has a 2023 Honda Accord, and it has in the upper console a little button you push, little thing flops down, you got your extra sunglasses in there. A good friend of mine, he has a Civic, a 2023 Civic. I think it's a touring model. Same thing, upper console, push the button, store your extra sunglasses in there. For some reason, this Civic Si does not have that feature. They deleted it. I don't know why. I don't know if it's a 2026 thing. I don't know if it's a Civic Si thing. All I know is it has nowhere to put my sunglasses. So I'm gonna show you in this video a cheap, easy mod that we can do to this car to be able to store our extra sunglasses. Let's get in the shop and get right into the video. All right, so in order to remedy this problem, I jumped on everybody's favorite jungle website, Amazon, picked up this little doodad here. There's nothing else in the box. She's nice and bubble wrapped. So this compartment right here, which comes with absolutely zero instructions, but it does come with some really high quality screwdrivers here. It looks like one is a 90-degree and a couple little covers. What this is gonna do is replace your oh crap handle. Is that the polite way of saying it? On the driver's side, which you're never gonna use. It's a 6-speed manual and I'm driving. I ain't grabbing on, I'm the one driving. If I'm scaring myself, that's a problem. And I'm still not gonna use that handle. I'm gonna be grabbing the wheel like with a death grip, okay? So, we don't need that handle. We do need somewhere to put our sunglasses. We're gonna go ahead and remove that piece, install this in its place. This has a spring, yep, it has a spring right here where this should spring load down. We can put our sunglasses or whatever in there, reading glasses if you need them. That'll go up out of the way. I got the black version to match the black interior. I do believe there is a gray version also. And these are pretty affordable. They're about 16 bucks on Amazon. You can't really beat that. And I definitely need it. So we're gonna jump inside, try to get the handle off of this, get this installed, see how the fit and finish is, and see if it actually works. Get my sunglasses put in there. All right, so I threw a headlamp on, jumped in the driver's seat here. This is the handle in question, okay? So there are a couple covers under here that we're gonna have to get the little screwdriver. I'm gonna try to use the tools that they supplied just because that's what you'll have on hand. I'm sure if you're doing this job, you have other tools also, but I'll try to use what they supplied and see how it works out. But we'll pop these covers off real quick and we can access what's behind here and get this handle out of the way. This is a brand new car and I'm not trying to destroy it in any way, so I don't wanna damage anything. If you look at this cover, you can see there's a little recess right there, and that's where we're gonna access removing this plug. This is the screwdriver that they gave us. I'm gonna kind of stick it in there and gently just kind of pry this thing up slow. See how that's kind of coming out? And we're just gonna walk it out, slide it straight back, and do the same thing with this one on this side. All right, when you're looking inside here, and when I get it out, I'll show you a little better because it's hard to tell in here. It's actually got two clips. There's one on the bottom and one on the top. I'm not real sure how they want you to do that with the screwdrivers they provided. This one would work okay if you wanted to come in from the top and kind of pry that down. As you can see, that little metal piece. Hang on, it's hard to do this with one hand. You'd pry that down, but then you still have this clip on the bottom that you can't pry up. So they gave you two screwdrivers, but the other one is a 90. And I mean, not real sure how you're gonna get that in there. So let me show you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna use me a pair of needle nose pliers. These aren't anything special. And I'm just gonna grab both those tabs, squeeze them together like so, and you can see it's already coming out, and boom, it releases that. So now this, oh, well, there it goes. So now we're gonna do the other side real quick since I dropped that on the ground. Let's see if this side goes as easy as the first side. Grab our clips, squeeze them together. Boom, slide it out just like that. We can pull our handle off. Nice, now we got two holes there. That is what these are gonna clip into. You can see on the back side of our little cover here, it's got these little clips that just pop into those squares. All right, before I pop that in, I want to show you this clip real quick and how it works so you have a little better idea on what you're dealing with. So you can see it has some teeth on top here and on the bottom on both sides, and then there's a tab that comes across, which is what you're going to be squeezing on both sides. When you squeeze that down, pulls those teeth down out of the way so that this thing will pop out. It just fits right in the handle like this. This is what you were looking at when it was installed, and there's your teeth. And that way, when you squeeze those down, it'll pop out, and we can get this thing out of our way and get our new piece installed. All right, so let's go ahead and see how this fits. So I'm gonna put the spring-loaded one in first because I feel like it's a little harder to hold up, and since I'm doing this with one hand and the camera in the other, it's gonna be a little more difficult, but we'll just line it up, and hopefully she'll just pop right into place. Boom. This one slides a little. Line it up, boom, pop right in. Oh, that fits nice. Oh, almost forgot, in the bag there are these little covers. So now I can kind of see what they go to. They go right here, and they just slide into place. Not only does it give it a finished look, but it will keep those clips from unclipping because it'll hold them open. So that presses in real nice. Man, these are actually really nice. And now let's see if my sunglasses fit. Now inside this cover, there is kind of a felt lining to protect your lenses. So I'm gonna set them in like that. Boom. All right, real life scenario reenactment. Ah! The Florida sun is trying to burn out my retinas. Forgot my sunglasses. Hey-oh. Oh yeah. Woo, that was close. They were starting to smoke a little bit. All jokes aside, this is gonna be a really nice feature to have in this car. And the action on that baby. Woo! That's nice. That's $16. Well worth it right there. All right, so my primary sunglasses are back on my face, and my backup sunglasses are sitting safe and sound in our newly installed compartment up there. If you're running the same issue I am on one of these new SIs or Accords, I'm not real sure when they stopped installing the little overhead compartment. This is a great alternative. Yes, you could get an individual case for your sunglasses, throw it in your console, throw it in your glove box, but it takes up more space, and they might get potentially lost, right? This is up, out of the way, takes up no space. That handle, you're never gonna use it. It looks factory. The fit and finish is really good. I'm not sponsored by these guys, but you know, if you're looking to sponsor somebody, I'm open to sponsorships, is what I'm saying. Hit me up, you know? But in all reality, this is a really good fit and finish. For 16 bucks, you really can't beat it. If you like this car and you wanna watch what I do in the future with it, I'm gonna be doing some more visual mods and performance mods, things like that. Stay tuned by subscribing to the channel, hitting the notification bell. That'll let you know when I come out with a new video. If you would like and share this video, that'd be really great. If you know somebody that has one of these Civics or Civic Si and you think they could benefit from seeing the video, like the video, share it on your social media. That'll help the channel grow and possibly help out somebody you know or somebody that they know. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you in the next video. I'm gonna go find a swimming pool somewhere because it is 1,000,000 degrees in here. Woo!